at Dreamville. It's work. It's work. I don't think the people understand how much work it is. You know, you get a lot of people. We've had a lot of barbers. I really want to do. I really want to do it. And get there and realize it's work. Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Reggie Winston, and this is the Better Barber Podcast. Here we believe that together we can make barbers better, and in turn, the barbers that we make better will make the community they serve better. I'm not here alone. I got my partner with me. What's up, Ant?
It's your boy Amazing Ant in the building, man. Let's go.
Yes, sir. So, man, we've been doing this podcast for a while. So, for all those who've been keeping up with us, thank you so much for returning and showing your love and support. We read your comments and your DMs. We smile, we laugh, and you definitely be sending us some great questions that we will be asking and just kind of reading later on today. But for the people that are new here, thank you so much for tuning in. We do have a top 10 barber podcast. We've been ranked top 10 in the world. We just want to keep that momentum going. We've been saying it for some weeks now that we're putting together some great guests coming up soon. So just be prepared for that. I got some OGs coming. And I got some newbies too, people new to the industry. And we're going to be talking about experience, perspectives, expectations, disappointments, so many different things that we encounter in this journey as being professional barbers. Let's talk about disappointments right now. So today is the day Dreamville Festival tickets go on sale. And, bro, we did everything we were supposed to do, bro. Man, I got to the part where all I got to do was purchase tickets, like my card information everything was in, and it went to an error page, dog. Like, it's so frustrating, dog. This is the first year it's happened to me. Like, I've always purchased my own tickets and had great success with purchasing tickets. Even this year, the ticket price is a little higher than, last year for like the pre-sale. So I was cool. I understand, things go up, but golly, bro. When I say it went up fast for one. Two, it kept going to an error page, man. So what are we supposed to do, man?
I don't know. I'm looking at it right now. And everything that I click on, I don't went all the way up to GA. And it keeps saying, tickets available.
Bro, it got to be some bots involved. Something, dog, or it's blocking this, dog. Because the tickets went so fast. Like, man, it went crazy. And I felt like the ticket prices are, for this pre-sale, worth the regular ticket prices were last year, if that makes sense. Because I'm looking here, like the MVP pre-sale was like $1,700. That's what it was, regular price last year. The pre-sale last year had to be
about
like
double.
Yeah, the pre-sale last year was like $700-800.
Mm-hmm.
So see, that thing already at $1,700 for one ticket, bruh. Dreamville, man. Look, I done sent your email. Please respond to my email because I want to be at the show. And I want to purchase my own tickets. How about this? I want to be VIP. How about that? That's what my goals were. I had it in my card. Had my card out. I put the information in for my card. Everything was good. And then the error page. It was like, this page don't exist. So it's like, God, leave, man. What else?
It is. It's just saying it ain't nothing available no more.
That's crazy, dog. Man.
Like, I done went all the way down. Like, I clicked on every one. I get there and it just says tickets not available no more. Like, come on, man.
Man, we was excited, man, but it's gonna work out in our favor, man. Let's just kind of go wrap on Dreamville, man. We've experienced it now for multiple years. I've been blessed enough to have the opportunity to be the official barber for the festival. I don't know if I ever told you this. Originally, first year, I was going to have a group of barbers in the artist area and in the VIP area.
Mm-hmm.
I was supposed to have like 2 other barbers with me. It's gonna be massage company in there with me as well. But we were supposed to take care of the artists and their crew.
Mm-hmm.
And I was tasked with also providing barbers in the VIP area. That first year, I looked at the sketches and how they laid it out. Man, they were gonna have a full court basketball court out in the artist area. They were gonna have like amusement park rides in the artist area, not just in the main area, like where all the people come, but they were gonna really look out for the artists. But they scaled back a lot of that stuff. But I think we had like a hurricane to come through. They had to kind of redo some things. man, I was looking forward to being around those artists, especially the artists like that first year was some dope artists that I really like. Every year's been some good artists, but I was really looking forward to being around those artists and taking care of the artists and their crew. Now we've been blessed and lucky enough that artists and their crew will come find us, in the VIP and ask us to come backstage and cut their hair, but it wasn't going to be. We don't get enough or the looks like we would have if it had been the original plan for Dreamville. You've been there, man. We cut a lot of heads at Dreamville. It's work. It's work. I don't think other people understand how much work it is. You get a lot of people. We've had a lot of barbers. I really want to do it, and get there and realize it's work. And it's not just all fun and games. I definitely look forward to doing it again this year. I do want to talk to the team over there, just kind of come up with some changes and stuff and see what we can do to make the experience better. Not only for the people we cut, but for us as well. Because they come up with a lot of crazy rules, Well, we'll see. Now, we've been talking about this in the barbershop all week. Who do you want to see at Dreamville? Give us 5 that you haven't seen or could come back. Give us 5.
Wow, let's see. I mean, after the performance that we had last time, with Drake, Usher, and then Drake bringing out his crew for the OV Fest. It's a lot of artists. I mean, I would say that haven't been there. I would say Future. I would say we don't know how far-fetched this would be if they say Kanye, Cove, Lotto. All the females haven't been there, like Cardi, Nicki. None of them been there. Ross haven't been there. I could do Ross and Meek Mill, like Kobe and Shaq.
Oh, yeah, that'd be crazy. Them two together, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. We've had some female rappers, like City Girls.
City Girls, yeah. But I'm saying, like, for, like, being Nicki is
ridiculous.
With Drake or, stuff like that. So, I mean.
I know Wizkid was there the year before.
Mm-hmm.
And, he had the hottest song, but that was with Tim's. And that's, I would say, the Nigerians, people who really enjoy Afro-pop, they were vibing. But most of the casual listeners were waiting for that one song.
Mm-hmm.
And that was it. Man, he killed it, too.
Right.
Yo, if you've never seen Wizkid is a performer.
Mm-hmm.
I'm talking about he actually sings and dances. He sounds really good on stage. So check out Wizkid for sure. I didn't get to see Burna Boy set because we were so ready to see Drake and Cole. Yeah, that was. But Burna Boy sounded good, and I seen him on Coachella, and I was like, yo, real nice too. Yeah.
Who your five?
So it seemed like they got like kind of a set program, right? Because the previous year was T-Pain, right?
Killed it.
Then this year was Waka Flocka.
Mm-hmm.
So you got to have a turn set. So I said replace that with Little John and bring
East Side Boys.
Yes, bring the Little East Side Boys. Not the Little East Side Boys, but bring the East Side Boys out and some other special guests for Little John. It could be Petey Pablo come out do his Freak Elite joint. Then have everybody do the helicopter. Sierra can come out, or Yang Twins, or
the Little John by himself. You already know, or because she just got that rock and roll Missy.
Oh yeah, Missy be fire too. Missy have to be at nighttime though.
Close it out.
I don't know about a closeout, but the second to close out, next to close out. I don't know if we. Me personally, I don't know if we would like to see Missy close out a night. Unless we'll kill it though. I'm not saying she won't. But
and we also said Pharrell and Friends, everybody that he worked with.
Matter of fact, Pharrell got a festival, Something in the Water.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna get my tickets at that time. I ain't been to that yet.
What month is that?
Not sure, but it's typically spring break for those schools up there. So Miguel go crazy. If you've never seen Miguel will kill that thing. Anderson .Paak will go fire in that thing. I want to see my brother Alex Mack up there. It's an artist named Fabo, Phabo. He's an R&B artist. He's fire. Laven Cali, I would love to see him at Dreamville. These are all like kind of indie artists with a vibe. Jordan Ward is crazy, but he came last year and he screamed the whole time, which is weird because if you ever see him perform and he sings, he's phenomenal. Last year he was just screaming on stage. I wish he can get a do-over.
Do you think we're going to get Cole album before the end of this year?
I think so. Or another Dreamers. Another Return of the Dreamers.
I think we need a Cole. Yeah. You got to, man. We can't go to another Dreamville with the same songs.
What kind of Cole album do you want to hear?
I don't even care.
Okay.
I ain't gonna lie.
What production would you like to hear?
I would say a mix between his last album and the one where he was on the rooftop.
Forest Hills Drive?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Like a combination between those two.
Not For Your Eyes Only?
A little bit.
Okay.
Put a little bit in there.
All right. This last joint to me was like a mixtape.
Yeah. It was like a mixtape, but it was his raw, authentic stuff.
Yeah.
Like, it was no chains. Like, I'm just gonna give you everything from 95 South to this. Like, it was.
Bro, I know one day we say, what's the shorty, man? She be bald in her head sometimes. She just dropped the album recently too.
Doja.
Yeah, Doja go crazy.
I like Doja.
Crazy. You listened to her last album?
I didn't. But I heard,
I know it can be dark and demonic, but sound-wise, crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Very, very, very high-level execution there. I think they're going to try to pull Lil Yachty out, man, because Yachty been around a lot lately. I don't know if you listened to his last album. It's definitely not a rap album.
Is that the one that Cole got on, right?
It was just a single.
I'm saying he's on the song, yeah.
Yeah, but he's not on the album.
Oh, okay.
And the album's not a rap album. It's artistry. And everybody that loves that style of music, sound says it's like one of the most phenomenal albums they've ever heard. For me, couldn't get to it.
Right.
But I'm not going to say it's bad. But yeah, Dreamville, man, April 6th, April 7th. If you're going to be in the city, man, please holler at us. Man, we're going to have some stuff going on during that time, but that weekend here in Raleigh. We're looking to be a part of the festival, not just inside the gates, but outside of the gates as well.
Mm-hmm. That
week leading up to Dreamville Fest. We got a lot of friends, industry friends, in the music industry and in the barbering industry too, man, that we want to collab with and do some special things for the city, around the city during that week. Yeah, man. So it just sucks, man. We couldn't get our tickets today, man. It is what it is. Gotta go work something out.
Hey, man, Friday.
Gotta go work something out, man. Look, we ain't gonna allow this one moment to ruin our day. Ain't that right, Antoine? Yeah, Antoine's behind the scenes where he's the only person who didn't stress out about it. He just looked at us, just like, kept doing this thing.